Hello, I'm Dr. Bob Prescott, and I teach the Enterprise Consulting Management elective here at Crummer, and have done so for the past 11 years. Not only am I a faculty member who teaches such a course, but I have an active consulting practice myself. In this particular course, the book that we'll use is by one of the most renowned authors and renowned consultants in the United States today, Mr. Peter Block. And Peter Block has written two books. They are companion books called Flawless Consulting, The Art and Science of Getting Things Done Through Consulting Endeavors. And we'll use those particular textbooks in this course to get an approach of the process of consulting, while we also investigate the trends in consulting and what the consulting industry is like itself. You know, a consultant, being a consultant, I think, starts with a true definition of what a consultant is. And a consultant is a person either inside the organization or acting from an external position to an organization who is trying to have some influence over a group or an organization, but has no real direct power to make changes or implement programs. That's a definition that centers around this particular consulting course, Enterprise Consulting, and in the course specifically we will attempt to get at the following objectives. We'll understand what is the role of a consultant. We'll try to focus in on shifts and trends and challenges facing the consulting industry today. We'll define and dig deeply into a defined and structured consulting process, and we'll work proactively with clients from the local area who have challenges and issues for which they need your help. So you'll not only be studying and learning about the consulting process, you will also be applying that process to a real-world situation. In this particular course, we'll have class engagement for sure, but we'll also have a consulting project that we work on that'll be delivered in two component parts. Number one, a presentation at the end of the semester to the client about what you've learned and found about their project or challenge and the recommendations you make to alleviate their pain, so to speak, with their endeavor and with their project. But followed with the written report and the presentation, the client will be actively involved in your work throughout the class in this particular semester. Along the way, we'll study the consulting industry and the consulting process, and from the field book, the supplemental book to this course, we'll have several reading presentations that we do each week. So this is an exciting course. This is a hands-on course. It's a very experiential course where students are working with real-world clients to solve problems for which they have no power or an influence to do so. We welcome you to the class, and we look forward to having you actively work in the consulting industry, either for those who want to be a consultant or for those who find themselves later on acting from a consulting position within their organization. See you in class.